हे गाइस, ऑन डे 7 ऑफ वियतनाम ब्रेकफास्ट करके हम निकल गए हेलोंग बे के लिए। इट वॉज अ प्रिटी ड्राइव अप टू हेलोंग बे एंड आई ट्राइड दीज किमची फ्लेवर्ड चिप्स विच वर रियली गुड। एनीवे, तो हेलोंग बे पहुंच के हमने लिया हमारे क्रूज़ का टिकट एंड वी बोर्डेड आवर क्रूज़। We only opted for a day cruise. If you want, you can also opt for a night cruise and stay overnight on these cruises. So we had a lunch and then we went upstairs to admire the beauty of Halong Bay. The place is really beautiful. These limestone mountains are so beautiful with open waters. If it was a sunny day, this would have been a beautiful day out, but it was really chilly and cold outside. तो हम लोग ऊपर डेक पे ज़्यादा देर चिल नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज इट वाज सो कोल्ड। एनीवे, वी रीच्ड आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप of the Halong Bay, which was the Sung Sot caves, and oh my god, these caves look like they are out of the world. They are not part of the world, you know, earth का part ही नहीं है। इतने ही unbelievable beautiful limestone caves हैं ये। These limestone caves are made over centuries and you can totally see the beauty. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल था ये, काफ़ी बड़ा था केव, लाइक इट वुड टेक यू हाफ एन आवर टू गो थ्रू द एंटायर केव. We also got this free souvenir from the cave, and then it was time for a boat ride. And again, during the boat ride, it was just like Tanang, the boat ride, but it was very much smaller. और Tanang is way more pretty than this. और यहाँ पे भी हमने एक आध केव एक्सप्लोर किया और बहुत सारे इंडियंस थे, वो क्लियरली आप सुन सकते हो बैकग्राउंड में. So there were two options. Either you could take this boat or you could take a kayak and kayak through the caves. Then after chilling at the beach for some time, I went back on the cruise because it was too cold. So I went in the hot tub and then we headed back to Hanoi. And after reaching Hanoi, आज का हमारा प्लान था because it was a Saturday. So night market explore करने का प्लान था. So this night market is open on Friday, Saturday and Sundays, and you get things for very cheap in Hanoi over there. तो अगर आप कभी हनोई जाओ तो make sure you are here on a weekend to explore this local night market. यहाँ पे बहुत तरीके की अलग अलग street food, clothes, accessories सब मिलता है. So this was it for day 7. I will see you guys soon with the last day vlog, day 8 vlog. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.